Welcome to Pasture Poultry Talk. This is episode 79, and I'm your adorable host, Mike Badger. In this episode, I got up with Andrew Salatin at the Fertrell open house to talk about his on-farm business, raising sheep. I know what you're thinking, it's not poultry, and I asked him about that, but you don't have to necessarily be a poultry person to be on this podcast if you're under 15. So anyway, enjoy this Kids in Commerce episode.
My name is Andrew Salatin, and I raise sheep.
Thanks, Andrew. Tell me, how old are you?
I am 13 years old.
Great. So how long have you been raising sheep?
For about 4 years. I currently have 27 sheep.
Now, are you breeding your sheep?
I am breeding my sheep because I'm trying to grow my flock, so I have not grown it up to my limit that I want.
Which is? How much do you want?
I don't know, I'm kind of going slow because I want to grow up into it. But so maybe it depends on how old I get and how long I do it. And that depends on how many sheep I want.
Are you selling them?
Yes, I sell them for meat. I get rid of the rams that I get for the year. And then I keep the ewes that look good. And I use them for breeding and growing my flock.
When you sell them, are people buying like the whole lamb, or are you taking them by the piece, or how do you do that?
We sell them by the whole lamb. It's just easier that way. And they sell really quick on both sides of our market.
Your brother and your sister, who I'm going to talk to later, they're doing some poultry, and you're not doing poultry. So how does that fit with the Salatin family?
They used to do sheep, but they got rid of them before I was born. They were just too big of a hassle, and we didn't have very good nets, and they wouldn't stay in very well. So I decided, hey, I'm gonna do something different than everyone else is gonna do. So then I got sheep, and we just use them for saving gas around the places where the cows cannot graze, and along fence rows. So they can keep those fence rows from shorting out if grass touches the electric wire.
What's been the best thing you've learned about keeping sheep so far?
I'm going to say patience. Yeah, you're going to need a lot of patience with them because sometimes they'll get out and cause trouble.
So you need good fencing?
Yes, we use the poultry wire. They work pretty well with that. I'm right now just borrowing some electric wire from my dad.
Andrew, thank you. If people wanted to buy your lambs, or how would they do that?
You can go on to the Polyfish website when we have sheep.
Thanks for chatting with me. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
And if you want to find out more about Andrew's sheep, check out the show notes at pasturepoultrytalk.com/79, and don't forget to subscribe to the show while you're there. It's free.